Hello traders, Alla Peters on beautiful January 27th. We're looking at oversold Dow traders. Dow at critical support. Intelligent trader knows what this means. Intelligent trader never ever ever shorts near. We agree? Price been here for the last 5 hours. Intelligent trader paying attention to this crucial support, not the place to never ever short near. This is ultimate selling pressure on Dow, identified weeks in advance, where Dow sold off from. If there is more to the story, of course. Take a look on institutional charts and remember. We identified on daily chart that this is trend inception on Dow. We expected Dow to start selling off from this level. We discussed this months in advance. So when Dow starts rallying, intelligent trader is prepared. Everyone with me? Market staging very powerful, very jittery pullbacks. If I go back to 1-minute chart, are you surprised? Of course not. As we discussed with students pre-market, intelligent trader well prepared, knows what not to short into, knows where to buy. This is not just little junky level. This is institutional support traders. Dow oversold this morning. Intelligent trader never ever enters near. Intelligent trader trades from. So this is what separates someone who is a follower versus intelligent and brilliant trader. We knew this well before market open. How many points did Dow rallied already, traders? Take a look. Right at the open as expected. From this point to here, I can speak only so fast. Instant 130 points bullish rally that lasted less than 3 minutes. Clear on this? Scanner gave us multiple bullish alerts. Right now, intelligent trader understands this is not the place to buy. This is a place to monitor for pullback. And if Dow comes back all the way down, it's a beautiful gift. Because again and again and again, we are at day trading support. This is your trading range. On daily, at institutional bottom, at crucial trend inception and reversal zone. More and more alerts coming through. Very sharp, very volatile moves. So this spectacular panic, spectacular reminder, spectacular precision is once again instant, crucial reminder. Speculation and trading never ever ever an option. And when we will start entering bearish markets, it means you must be much more prepared than you've ever been for bullish markets. 130 points jitterness and spectacular bullish push remains bullish weakness. Intelligent trader knows this. So while we're waiting on Dow, let's take a look on trade on S&P. Here's a trade on S&P. Trade is not on one. For the trading room, I always bring up the trades on one. S&P at identical institutional support. S&P in identical place. What does the intelligent trader knows? What is crucial? The end of the minor trend. Buyers are weak. This is critical moment. This is critical resistance. This is resistance that will determine S&P for hours to come. So again, traders, red line is your crucial stop on S&P. Very powerful, very jittery markets. The bright pink line the end of the minor trend will determine S&P for hours to come. Dow in very different place. The end of the minor trend is out. S&P will skyrocket. You will see phenomenal bullish rally. Critical moment, ladies and gentlemen. Pay attention, please. Again, as we discussed before market open, intelligent trader knows that this is the most important moment that will determine markets for hours to come. Buyers remain weak. So when you will start entering extremely volatile markets, you cannot possibly trade with little tiny baby stops. Those who trade 1 to tick stop will last in this market a couple of seconds. In bearish markets, you will witness phenomenal volatility with price action requiring much bigger stops. Every single stop with Alpha Fibonacci Trading System is precise. There is no speculation here. None are present. At the same time, we can have 5, 6, 7, 10, 12 trades with different stop, different target. We expected this to be a problem. Problem is present. Brutal place, as expected. Again, this is a legendary screenshot on Apple when Apple doubled in value despite worst earnings in 13 years. Apple respected the end of the minor trend for many months. After earnings, Apple reaches next level, identified months in advance. There is no surprise here. None are present. S&P in exact same place, now, to the tick. This was S&P at decision point 1, 2200 level in 2016. For many months, S&P staged these vicious pullbacks. As expected, the end of the minor trend is a problem on weekly. After the election, S&P skyrockets to the next level, identified months in advance. This is identical price action on S&P right now. Everyone clear on this? It remains a problem. Intelligent trader is not surprised. Agree? Intelligent trader knew this morning extremely well. There are no shorts here. None are present. Only longs. Right now, intelligent trader moving the stop outside of break-even starts scaling out. We agree? Single and double lot sizes are out. Multiple lot sizes taking 70–80% of the position off. The other 20% are running. Critical target is in. From this target price collapsing 70–80% of the time completely. This is identical support where S&P and Dow rallied from. Do you remember that? Yes? 4 hours. No shorts. And that's ultimate precision. No matter what you trade. If you day trade S&P or you position trade Apple, S&P weekly, any instrument you trade. Or Dow, of course. Intelligent trader just trail even closer. Again, this is second level. Again, this is critical target. Again, all coming from institutional support. No surprises here. No shorts this morning. This was expected. This was identified days, weeks, months in advance. On this trade, Alpha Fibonacci targets minutes in advance. Trail very, very carefully. Adjust your trail. Again, if you have multiple lot sizes, scale out carefully. So this is how intelligent, brilliant trader trades. Chooses quality trade from institutional bottom with ultimate Alpha Fibonacci Precision. Again, did we expect this? Of course. It's a critical place where price reverses from 80+% of the time. Crash and burn S&P. Now, pretty please, let's go all the way down. Intelligent trader never acquires position between decision point 2 and reversal zone. This is absolutely expected. So if S&P collapsing all the way back down, it's a beautiful, beautiful news for intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader who've taken advantage of this quality trade with ultimate sniper's precision. So if you manage to pull out between 4 to 6 points out of this market, what does it mean on S&P? 4 points on one lot on S&P, $200. 4 points on 10 lots S&P, $2,000. If you trade with Alpha Fibonacci quality and precision, at the end of every month you simply add the lot size. By the end of the year you trade 10 lots. Your workday less than 30 minutes per day. Market been open less than 20 minutes. So here we go, more and more bullish alerts on Dow, ladies and gentlemen. And that's quality trading this morning. S&P at reversal zone. Intelligent trader knows this is not the place to enter. This is a place to exit your long. So this is what students accomplished this morning. Emmanuel 40 points, Dow, Steve 10 points, Jean vertical spreads, Rob Dow 13 points. Boom. You wanna trade less than 30 minutes per day? If they can do it, so can you. You wanna trade options? Not a problem. You wanna day trade? Not a problem. You wanna trade S&P, Dow, Apple, Forex, anything you choose? Nothing is a problem. All you have to do, make an effort. And that's the power of the method. Let's take a break. So we have only a few spaces left with the biggest discount ever. This discount is almost gone. We have only a few spaces left, traders. Take advantage of live recorded classes 24/7. Take advantage of group of private mentoring courses. Method traded on Wall Street and in 57 countries, as you witnessed in the trading room this morning. The most important part, view and listen what students do all over the world. From beginner to hedge fund manager, winning Forex competitions, trading futures, trading options. If Brett can do it after 20 years of trying, so can you. If Ed can trade options, so can you. Choice is yours. Carrie can win Forex competition while few weeks into the course without software on MT4, so can you. And if you use the videos, listen to podcasts, you will see more and more and more. How students trading cryptocurrencies, anything they choose, all over the world. Absolutely up to you. Choice is yours. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com and view what S&P had done from ultimate Alpha Fibonacci target. S&P already collapsed as expected, 6 points. Intelligent trader never ever enters near. Intelligent trader is out. Workday is over. Less than 30 minutes.